The best thing you can do is if you find something that doesn't work anymore is to throw it away. So I found a good Sharpie, and you can see it's darker. Now, I really don't have any way of telling you how to do this, except that start from here and just make all of these, they're like triangles at an angle. And we're just going to cover her face. This Sharpie is running out of steam too. Yep, look at. Okay. Throw it out, Annie. I found 2 more Sharpies. This looks, I said that before, didn't I? This looks pretty good. And it is, at least to start. There I go. Oh my word, look at her now. I gotta get something going here, don't I? All right. So I do want her to coordinate with this. So I am going to paint each section a different color using the colors that I used over here. Are you ready? So I have the bright orange, and for this, so I have a 4 round. So I'm painting all the sections of her hair, and it does not matter that the paint is touching that black because that black is permanent. And I am sure that this is going to take quite a few coats. And believe it or not, you won't be able to see how there's a shadow over there. When I get through with this, you're not going to see anything. I am going to go around, and that's weird right there. Very, very weird. That is, her point should be going down. You know what? Deal with it. So I did orange, and it will need 2 to 3 layers. Another color that I used over here is the turquoise. Right here. So let's do that. So I did some here. I did 2 coats of the turquoise on some of the hair strands. What is this called? Desert turquoise. So I have to do 2 coats of the orange, and I am trying to decide what to do as a 3rd color. And because it's red over there, I think I shall go with the true red. She sure is turning out to be quite the funky lady. So I will be back when this is all filled in with 2 coats or 3 coats. Some things may require 3 coats. See you soon. So she's coming along. So I have the turquoise, the red, the orange, and I have to bring in 1 more color. So I think I'm going to go with the cadmium yellow.